SATA Stories. 30 cameras, 30 visions. In this episode, I turn to the Pentax 6.7, a legendary medium format single lens reflector. Some cameras invite you to shoot, the Pentax 6.7 asks you to commit. Peter Lindbergh trusted it for presence, Todd Hido for atmosphere, Michael Kenna to sculpt time. This is not speed, this is intention. Vision slow it into commitment so that meaning and beauty can emerge. No shortcuts, no distractions, just decisive vision. One SATA, one decision.